Alrighty, for the IG and the social media world, figure I'll shoot this video for you guys. Um, just to let you know, I'm gonna end up doing at least a video a week, and we'll have different topics. Like today's topic, I wanted to talk about hard inquiries. Hard inquiries is something that happens when people are out trying to acquire a mortgage or auto loan, business loan, whatever it may be. And so the question is how does these hard inquiries affect one's credit? All right. So that's what we're going to discuss. How does hard inquiries affects one's credit, and what can be done to eliminate them? Okay. So hard inquiries is something, and this is the facts about it. Hard inquiries is something that stays on your credit for at least 2 years, not unless you have a professional like myself or my company or someone in the industry that understands the rules and how to eliminate hard inquiries. So again, they stay on your credit report for 2 years. That's one. Can you remove them? Yes, you can. How fast might be the question. Can you remove hard inquiries? We've got them done as little as 7 business days. So I will quote somebody on an average. I would say give us about a good 30, 45 days to eliminate the hard inquiries. There is a couple methods in order to remove them. We use FCRA rules, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and we have a couple other tactics that we use in order to eliminate hard inquiries. Now, the thing about hard inquiries is that some people would say you cannot remove hard inquiries for accounts that you actually own or that you have. And there's some truth to that. Personally, I've got rid of hard inquiries myself for actual accounts, and it didn't affect the accounts. And then there was a time where I got rid of the hard inquiries, and if the accounts were actually active, then what happens is you would get a pause, an alert with the creditor, and they will say, hey, there's a contestment, so to speak, about the hard inquiry, so to speak. And then what they would do is they would freeze either your credit cards. In most cases, it's credit cards or something like that. They will freeze those credit cards, and then what you would do is you'll have to call back in and say, oh yeah, I did authorize the account, and then they'll reactivate those cards. But again, as far as like the actual hard inquiry, at least you got those jokers off. You know what I mean? So hard inquiries can come off. Traditionally, the way you are supposed to do it is just don't touch any kind of don't touch the hard inquiry if you care about the relationship. Like, I don't really care about a hard inquiry from a mortgage company. It's like if they're going to try to pause the mortgage, go ahead, pause the mortgage, right? But they're not going to pause the mortgage. They're going to want to continue to get their money. So why not contend with something like so? You feel me? A credit card, I get that. You don't want that to be frozen, so you still want to be able to use that. So then when it comes down to a hard inquiry for that, then, you choose your discretion of, whether or not you want to eliminate that hard inquiry, knowing that it's possible that they're going to freeze that account. Once they freeze that account, then you got to call them back to tell them to unfreeze it. But at least, again, you get the hard inquiry off. Now, again, number 3, if there's a hard inquiry from an account that you don't have an open account, or let's say you wasn't approved, why not move that joker off? Go ahead and get that hard inquiry off. And so again, yes, you can get hard inquiries off your credit report legally and quickly. All you need is a professional, someone like myself or another company, to help you out with that. If you're interested, well, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description of this video if you're on YouTube or if you're on Facebook, and you can go to that link and you'll be able to do it yourself. You'll be able to find out how to remove inquiries. In fact, it's accommodated with a free credit repair course. And within that free credit repair course, you're going to find out tips and tricks on how to improve your credit, along with removing hard inquiries. I always offer, if in the event that you're not able or you don't have the time and you want a company or somebody like myself or my company to help you eliminate these hard inquiries or anything else, we'll be happy to do that as well. Again, you'll be able to do that by just going to the description and hitting the links below. Now, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Again, I plan on shooting videos as the face of the company at least once a week. We'll have different topics. I would say, or maybe I can ask you this: if whatever it is that you guys might be interested in, any kind of topics that you guys would like to discuss weekly and want me to shoot a video on, I would say leave it in the comments, and then we'll go ahead and schedule a session for that. I would also like to say, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get an alert in the event that we have a new video going out, and be sure to like this and share this information. Recently we had a client that did our credit repair, and within a week and a half, I kid you not, her credit score jumped up about 108 points, and that took place because of a combination of removing hard inquiries and I think like 1 or 2 or 3 different accounts from her credit report. FYI, what is the weight of a hard inquiry? That would be that a hard inquiry can cost you 5 to 10 points of your actual credit score, which is one of the reasons why you don't want to have excessive credit report runnings of your credit, because you're going to have a number of hard inquiries. So if in general it's going to cost you 5 to 10 points, then think about if you had 5 or 10 different inquiries done. Another rule of thumb when it comes down to hard inquiries is that when lenders look at your credit report, they judge you based off of how many hard inquiries you've had, whether it's within a quarter, whether it's in a month's time or a year time. I know a lot of lenders, whether it's in the personal loan industry or credit cards, if they see more than 5 inquiries, you're considered to be what they call a high risk or thirsty, if you will, because you're outrunning your credit left and right. So you don't want to do that. Traditionally, when we're trying to help people acquire loans, whatever it may be for, we only like to see at least 2 or 3 inquiries on your credit report. This way you'll qualify, you won't be considered thirsty, if you will, and you'll go ahead and be granted that credit that you're interested in. So that's some insider secrets when it comes down to hard inquiries and how it works. Again, be sure to like, subscribe, share this video, and stay tuned for our next video that's upcoming. All right, thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and happy credit improvement. Talk to you next time.